Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Biodiversity and Conservation by Ambika Prasad Research Foundation. So today we will start with part 5. So today we will know about Pholidota imbricata. Commonly it is known as necklace orchid or rattlesnake orchid. The common name is based on the appearance of the flower structure. So this is the scientific classification: kingdom Plantae, order Aspergillus, family Orchidaceae, subfamily Epidendroideae, genus Pholidota, species Pholidota imbricata. So here we will talk about habit and habitat. So it is an epiphytic orchid and it is mostly found near water bodies or near perennial streams. So it is one type of indicator that it indicates that wherever in forest, if you see this type of orchid in epiphyte or in tree trunk, the orchid you will see, then it is one type of indicator that near them water bodies must be there, because it is one type of indicator. So here you can see the leaf structure: leaf 1 to 2 from the tip of the pseudobulb, elliptic, inverted, lens-shaped, based narrow, tip pointed or blunt, leathery, strong, as you can see in the picture. And here comes the most interesting part of this Pholidota imbricata, is that the flower structure. The flower is pale white or yellowish, hidden by overlapping leaf-like persistent bracts. And it is mostly, it hangs like a necklace type. It is appearance is there. And it is strongly boat shaped with winged keel. And here you can see the fruit part and the pseudobulb, and this picture is we have taken in the wild. So each pseudobulb has a single plated leathery leaf and up to 60 white cream colored or greenish cup shaped flower in two ranks along a wiry flowering stem. As you can see the pseudobulb, and you can see the fruit part. So after some survey in the forest, we get to know that, and we have seen that some bees or some pollinator has a relationship with orchids. So bees pollinate the orchid. So the bees pollinate orchid, and in return the flower donate their perfumes or any aromatic scents. So the male bees used to attract the females. So orchid relationship with pollinator is important. So if orchid is there, then pollinator is also attached to them. Then if that orchid will be vanished, then the pollinator that are attached to them, that will be also will be vanished. So the flowering time is mainly June to September, or mainly it comes to August also. Then flower lasts 1 to 2 weeks. Then fruiting October to May. So as you can see in this picture, picture we have taken from Bonnet Forest Division. We have done restoration of orchid in Bonnet Forest Division, in Tensa Nature Camp, and in Brahmini Guest House. We have done many restoration work in there. So one of them is also a Pholidota imbricata. We have taken this orchid from the dead wood trees. So we have collected it from there and we have restored it before the rainy season. So after the rainy season it settled down, and you can see the flower that have come up there. So apart from ecological values, it has some medicinal values. The bulb or pseudobulb paste is applied externally to treat rheumatic pain, or sometime when you have stomach disorder, so you can also eat the raw of the pseudobulb. So it will also help you to relieve from the stomach pain. So their main distinguished features are that green, deep green pseudobulb and leaf, a drooping raceme with wily pendule and a zigzag rachis, bearing imbricating bracts and a small overlapping flowers arranged in two rows. So this is their distinguished feature to identify this orchid, Pholidota imbricata. So thank you for watching. Hope you will like it and keep subscribing to our channel so you will get update of the new upcoming video that we will upload soon. Thank you.